the country prepares for the upcoming rainy season, many communities, still haunted by the harsh experience of previous years, remain psychologically distressed. The recurring threat of flooding continues to endanger lives and livelihoods. In the Gambia, both urban and rural communities are grappling with the perennial challenges of the rainy season. Among the hardest hit areas is Bakau. Despite having a drainage system, the town remains highly vulnerable due to poorly maintained drains choked with debris and waste. Residents Omar Conte and Alhaji Bambo Bojang shared their struggles.
Kabo nyimfenso kata ko nyimfenso ni sababu cheka mobuka cross no fuela sabato wuto fuela sabato wuto etabe ni wonde aka problem because ko mo nyingota last year nyingota be fari ne bankola so ni jona
From this fence to that end, it's hard to cross over. Last year, these gutters were full of sand. There was no way for the water to pass. It flooded from the cemetery to Kachikali. The rainy season is always a burden. Even vehicles struggle to pass.
wajam c'est problem ni sama kera rek job ko dunno joka silo beleta an moto fa ke problem pour ka cross
Kolea ko because jiboro nyanta tala nyameng jiboro bukata o nyama because normally jio be ka tamo la farolto.
Our main challenge is the drainage system. It's always difficult for water to pass through. Normally, the water should flow into the swamps, but the local authorities sold all the land along the water path under the pretext of inherited lands. Bakau should be more developed by now.
Ya understand le Bakau at this stage I mean tol nyanta development o soto la bakele nyanta tambila nyintile ya understand le.
In response to these ongoing issues, the Kanifi Municipal Council has begun rehabilitating Bakau's drainage system under the Kanifi Municipal Road Network project. The initiative is expected to be extended across the municipality. Tony Zai, project officer at Longian Road and Bridge Company Co. Limited, explained the scope and expectations of the project.
This project, we are working on it, and also possibly we can finish this drainage the end of this month. No, this one will be very strong. Yes, we are using the strong materials. Also, we are following the original drainage. Yeah, we are not changing anything else. You can see our technique is working on it.
Despite these efforts, Conte and Bojang remain skeptical, citing past disappointments.
Yenyin gota jele nyi mensinteng jannaba banna mbaduna 2030 konale and womanke development movement people
These gutters that have recently been dug will get to 2030 before they are completed. And that's not development. Bakau deserves more than its current state. We have seen little to no progress.
council dia try de ba ni silo de c'est problem ni bora be ni de be min do ko male ba do ko la nyami but it's problem war so sama ko last year
These gutters are a huge problem. I don't know how they will solve it. Last year, the sand-filled drains contributed to flooding in Kachikali. I hope that if the drains are cleared properly, things will improve. While the rainy season brings hope to rural farmers expecting a good harvest, vulnerable urban communities like Bakau can only hope for mercy from nature, though history suggests they may need more than just hope. For Voice Out Digital News, I am Abdullah Dabo.